Meteorologist Art Jarrett joining me now to answer that question for us.
That's the thing about it, Lauren. This cold front has been taking 12 hours just to get here, and it's going to take probably another 12 hours to get up and out of our area. So that means rainfall will continue to stream across the area, and it will be heavy at times like it's doing right now in Santa Cruz County. Some of the big winners right now, Lauren, we're going to see up to about 3 inches plus already in Ben Lomond Mountain. Soquel Creek, just an inch or so. Watsonville, you can see just under 2/10. So it is sparing in some locations, even once you get through Davenport, Lexington, where you see 1.5 inches or so. Salinas, it only has a trace. In Monterey and Big Sur, a lot less. So once you get past the Elkhorn Slough, going either southeast or south, that's when you're not seeing any type of rainfall. But hey, don't worry. It's going to be coming your way in just a little bit. Not only are we getting the heavy rainfall, we're also getting the snow as well in the Sierra Nevada mountains. So this winter weather warning has been extended into tomorrow. We're expecting at least up to maybe a foot up to about 6,500 feet, and above that to 7,500 and above, well, we could see up to about 2 to 4 feet there. In fact, the rainfall we're expecting is about 4 inches to about 5 inches of rain in the mountains and about 2 inches as you get into our low-lying areas. In fact, here's Skycam 8 Santa Cruz. You can see how rainy it is right now. I'll have more coming up about this. Lauren, back to you.
Now, your KSBW weather forecast with meteorologist Art Jarrett.
All right, good afternoon to you. This is what we're starting out with, Skycam 8 Santa Cruz. Back to the beach boardwalk we go. Rainfall already part of this forecast. Now, this has been going on for just about up to about 10 o'clock when the rainfall really started to hit the area, getting up to the mountains and then beginning to spread into Corralitos and finally touching Watsonville. Wind gusts right now, Los Gatos was at 26. Earlier today, Los Gatos had a wind gust of 53 miles per hour. It's beginning to taper now. And then Ben Lomond Mountain, 27 miles per hour. But down by Natural Bridges, just to the west side of Santa Cruz, 33 miles per hour. What we have going on up there to the mountains, yeah, you can see some heavy rainfall slipping through Watsonville, Corralitos, getting into Soquel, Aptos up in the mountains. And here comes the largest batch we've seen so far, widespread, working right into the Santa Cruz mountains from Davenport, Bonnie Doon, getting all the way to Pescadero and San Mateo County, and then working into some of the other areas just to the southeast of Santa Cruz County, and of course the Santa Clara County and Watsonville down into portions of Aromas. Yeah, that rainfall is going to continue to stretch right down from the coast all the way down to the Big Sur area eventually today from Santa Cruz County. And then you can see it already in the Santa Cruz Mountains, getting all the way into, say, the mountains of the Sierra Nevadas up there, getting into the eastern portion of the state. Scattered showers to follow behind this as well. So this is going to be a slow mover. Like I told you, a little bit over 12 hours here. And the winter weather warning here, if you're headed up there today, you're going to be in a lot of slush. There's a mix of rain and snow getting up to areas like all the way up into activity is likely, and a bit breezy as you've already seen, winds to 20 miles per hour, gusts up to about 33, 35 miles per hour. Temperatures in the 60s, and we may even try to touch some 70s once you get into King City. Some of these numbers have already been reached as far as the mid and upper 60s locally. Tonight, we'll go with 40 to 53 degrees with mostly cloudy skies, giving way to some clearing, so we'll call it mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies. And then over the next few days, we continue to dry you out and rainfall again Sunday night through Monday and Tuesday. Lauren?
Okay. Thanks, Art. Appreciate it. Still to come today, Thanksgiving travel. Now here's Art. Final check of the weather.
All right, the heaviest rainfall we've seen so far today is really starting to move into Santa Cruz County and Santa Clara counties. Yeah, look at that. I'll just hold this up for a second. And it's going to continue to stream there for a while because these winds continue to press that front in an opposite direction and slow it down. So we're seeing winds up to 15 miles per hour. In fact, we're seeing wind gusts already up to about 35 as well. So as we go through this afternoon and evening, we're going to continue to see mostly cloudy conditions to cloudy conditions. And eventually we'll clear it out as we go in the overnight hours. And temperature is about 40 to 53 degrees with chances of showers following that cold front. Winds up to 20 miles per hour, gusts to 25, possibly 30. Then tomorrow, a bit chillier. And then we're going to see some sunshine in the afternoon through Saturday and Sunday, loading up the clouds eventually in the evening. We'll go to cloudiness and then, of course, some rainfall overnight into Monday and Tuesday.
Okay. All right. Thanks so much, Art. And thanks for joining us. Have a wonderful afternoon. Be safe out there.